Hello friends, welcome you all. Today we are going to see about Pradhana Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, in short PMVVY. The government schemes are very important, so let us see about this scheme. This Pradhana Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, it's a pension scheme announced by the government of India exclusively for the senior citizens aged above 60 years. So this scheme is now extended up to 31st March 2023 for a further period of 3 years beyond 31st March 2020. Therefore, the scheme is very important. Let us see the objective. So, objective of this scheme is to provide social and economical security during old age and to protect elderly aged 60 years and above against a future fall in their interest income due to uncertain market conditions. So, this is the important objective for this scheme. Here, I have given you the important objective of the scheme. Kindly make note of it. Let us see some benefits about this Pradhana Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. The scheme provides initially an assured rate of return of 7.4% per annum for the year 2020 and 21 per annum, and also thereafter to be reset every year. So this is a major benefits. The pension is payable at the end of each period during the policy term of 10 years, and also as per the frequency of monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, yearly as chosen by the pensioner at the time of purchase. Here one has to note that this scheme is exempted from GST, and also on survival of the pensioner to the end of the policy term of 10 years, the purchase price along with the final pension installment shall be payable, and also the loan up to 75% of purchase price shall be allowed after 3 policy years to meet the liquidity needs, and also the loan interest shall be recovered from the pension installment, and the loans to be recovered from the claims proceeds. So these are the important benefits. I have listed you few important benefits. Other than this, few more benefits are there. That is the ceiling of maximum pension is for a family as a whole. The family will comprise of pensioner and spouse also, and for their dependents also. One has to note that on the death of the pensioner during the policy term of 10 years, the purchase price shall be paid to the beneficiaries, that is spouse and dependents. And also the scheme allows for premature exit for the treatment of any critical or terminal illness of self or and their dependent, that is spouse. On such premature exit, 98% of the purchase price shall be refunded after that 10 years, and the shortfall to the difference between the interest guaranteed, and also one has to note that the actual interest earned and expenses related to the administration shall be subsidized by the government of India, and also it has been reimbursed to the corporation. So here I have given you those important facts related to this scheme. Kindly go through that. Based on the discussion, let us see one prelims question. Which of the following is the objective of Pradhana Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana? Option A, to provide senior citizens belongs to below poverty line category and suffering from age related disabilities, infirmities with such physical aids and assisted living devices. Statement number B, to provide social and economic security to senior citizens due during old age. Yes, this statement is right. Option B is right for this question. Let us see about other things.